Hello friend, this is Arvind here, and today we are going to upload a question paper of post graduations, that is post graduation second semester's questions of English subject. So let us start. So dear student, my dear friend, this is the question paper of CC5 Films and Literatures, and it belongs to Bihar University, BRABU University, and actually this is mentioned that this question paper is related to 2018 to 20, and these are the questions that in the opening dialogues of a passage to India, who is most open to the possibility of Indian English friendship. I don't know about its answer, but at the time of taking the correct answers, you have to match it about that, and then after, who among the following directed the film A Passage to India, and this was the mainly objective questions of that. You are looking here, and again some questions is related to objective questions, and then after we have to solve the questions of four questions, that is totally one questions carry 6 marks, and this includes 24 marks, and you have to write about that, and then after you have to write 12 marks questions of 3 marks, and these were the questions. Okay, now we are moving towards CC6, that is 19th century poetry, same as the CC5. This question papers is related to. Again 4 marks questions is there, so 6 marks questions, and then after 12 marks questions of 3 marks, 3 questions. And then after we are moving towards CC7. And then after we are moving towards CC8. The question paper is that. Four questions that is related to 6 marks questions. And these are the questions related to 12 mark question, that is written we have to 3 questions, and so on. Then after This question paper is related to CC9. Sense and Sensibility was written by Jane Austen. The name of Mr. Knightley's test is Hartfield. I don't know about that question, that is correct marks or not. I don't know about that. So you have to check very cleverly, and then after you have to write its answer. After discussing the question papers of main paper, and this question paper is related to computer and ICT, that is already optional paper of PG semester 2. Full form of RAM, random access memory, and then after full form of ROM, read only memory. Now Windows is a product of Microsoft. Linux command is create to. File is cat. So you are looking here the question papers of extra paper, that is called optional paper. LAN stands for local area network. IP address contains 4 numbers. So thank you friends. Have a nice day.